Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to fix the issue of headphones connected but not working. If you can't hear your sound from your headphones, then follow the steps. First, you need to go to your start button, click on start button, go to your settings option. After going to your settings option, you have to go to this system option. Go to system and you have to go to this sound option, click on sound, scroll down. After scrolling down, you have to go to this more sound settings, click on more sound settings and click on the headphones and click here on set default. After clicking on it, you have to do the apply and then click OK. After clicking OK, you have to go to the properties. After going to the properties, you have to check the list, the advances, and it's good. Enable audio enhancements. Click on this and then click on apply and then OK. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.